Hey, this is Danielle, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to scale out of this trade in OKLO. This is a broken wing butterfly that I put on in the mastering the trade room, and the market's about to close here, so I need to get this out. But basically, this is almost at a double. I bought it for 118. It's going for 230. You are trading at 64.41, and the center strike of this fly is at 65. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close two of these and at least try to, take 50% of my profit on that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post a trade alert in our trading room. So come over here to say, okay, guys, we are going to close this. To close, I am scaling out of half of my position. Maybe rest for tomorrow. And then I'll go ahead and post that alert. So when you're looking at this OKLO setup, I mean, this one's really taking off. This one has some high short float. It also has pretty good chart pattern on this weekly chart. If you look at the daily chart, I mean, I think this thing could really still get going and keep going because it has this gorgeous daily squeeze. You have this really nice cup and handle pattern here. So if you look at that really nice curve, you have a target up here at this $80 strike. And then when you look at the upside targets that are even above that, you have another target up at 88, and that's not that far away from the key psychological value of 100. So if you look at the lower time frame charts, I mean, you'll see that you just have this really nice trend. You have high volume coming in. The target that I had on it was pretty conservative at 65. So I feel like, the next best thing would be to just add another trade targeting 70 and then maybe even 80 because this thing is taking off, because it has the high short float. The short float in this one is 15%. So if you go out a little bit further and say, okay, well, what could I do with this? How could I trade this longer dated? Because your options are going to expire in 2 days. I mean, I would go all the way out into August, honestly, and just see, are there some long calls that I could buy? Could I buy maybe these Delta 55s? Those are going to go for $7.35. Because the idea here is that with this thing up almost 6%, it's probably going to gap up tomorrow because it's going out on the highs of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and add another one there. And then we'll just see what ends up happening with my butterfly. I took 50% profits, but not 50% profits, but I took off 50% of the position. But I'll have to end up closing the rest of this butterfly tomorrow. And then ideally I can ride these long calls a little bit longer. So market's going to close here in less than a minute. But this is exactly what you want to see with a short float ticker. You want to see it just continuing to trade higher, going out at 6%, up on the highs of the day. Those are some pretty good indications that it's going to keep going. So we'll check back in with this trader view. But for now, that's what I'm doing with OKLO, and I'll see you in the next one.